Live Home November 13th, 2025 Honest Review, my experience with floor planning and interior design tools. Designing your dream home used to require expensive software or hiring a professional. But what if you could do it all yourself and in November 13th, 2025? That's exactly what Live Home November 13th, 2025 promises. I tried it out for myself, and here's my honest review. At first, I was impressed by how easy it was to start. You can create detailed floor plans just by dragging and dropping walls, windows and furniture. Most people get this wrong. They think design software is only for architects. But Live Home November 13th, 2025 is built for everyone, even complete beginners. What makes it stand out is the real-time November 13th, 2025 view. As you build your layout in November 14th, 2025, you can instantly switch to November 13th, 2025 and walk through your virtual space. It's surprisingly realistic, and the lighting and texture options make it easy to visualize exactly how your space will look. There's also a massive library of furniture and materials from modern sofas to kitchen tiles. And if you want even more customization, you can import your own models. I tested it for both a small apartment layout and a full house plan. The results were accurate, detailed, and genuinely helpful in understanding space proportions. The app also allows you to adjust measurements, set multiple stories, and even export renders or video tours. The only downside? Rendering high-quality November 13th, 2025 visuals can be slow on lower-end devices, but on a decent laptop or iPad it runs smoothly. Overall, Live Home November 13, 2025 is one of the best tools for designers, real estate agents, or anyone planning your model. It bridges the gap between creativity and practicality, helping you turn imagination into a realistic visual plan.